4. Fifth grade teacher responds to a student who said they wanted to kill themselves with, "Good, you'd be doing your family a favor." 5. My science teacher in 7th grade called a Mexican kid in my class a fence hopper once during the middle of class. 6. When I was about 9, our teacher asked the class what we wanted to be when we grew up. One kid said he wanted to be a bin man, a garbage man, for US readers. The teacher went into a rant, saying that jobs like these were for the lowest, most unintelligent people in society, and that he should aspire to be better than that. Finally, she asked why he wanted to be a bin man anyway. "Because my dad's one," said the kid by now in tears.